What's in the bag, Henry?
Henry, come here.
You gonna crawl up the stairs? Where are you going, bud? No? Jake's gonna give you some assistance. Up. Up. You wanna come get this? Come get it, Henry.
Go get it, bud.
Come get it. Come get it, Hen. Oh.
Henry, what's this? Sprinkly.
Come get it, Hen. Good job, buddy.
Good job, Henry.
Good job, Henry.
Plastic bags are good for Toy Story.
Shopping bags. Yay, we love shopping bags. Yay, good job, Henry.